What I got going here is I got a Drysuit, a DUI Drysuit that I bought used from somebody. I ordered a neck replacement, borrowed some clamps from a friend, had some extra wood to make the template. I just laid it down here, flat, and I drew around it here, cut it out, this new neck piece on top, this over here, and clamp it down once it's glued. Trim this latex back to where it meets the fabric. So I have this handy dandy this 1-part glue with an accelerator, which is also used for cleaning around the gaskets and stuff. So in order to have a working platform here, you'll want something that can support this underneath, so it's not all bundled up. I recommend using a guitar case, the top of one. Come over here like this. That, and then you have your working spot here. So we're going to take the accelerator and clean around this old gasket and around the new gasket where it's going to adhere. Okay, the mixture from the adhesive and the aqua seal to the cure says makes 1 part cure accelerator to 3 to 4 parts aqua seal. So we have our handy dandy container here. Okay, it's about 3:40, so it's been about 3 hours now. And I'm going to unclamp this here and see. Try it out. I'm going to try out this new neck gasket that I put on. And we used my daughter's hair clips here